I absolutely think that all team members should be educated enough to talk to the clients about things that are appropriate for their role in the hospital. If you ask me to come up with one specific topic, I'm hard pressed because it depends upon the practice that you are working in. And I'm digressing a little bit into marketing here, but every practice should have some uniques, have some things about it that are specific to your clinic. So for example, if you are a clinic that is all about wellness, then the topic that all employees should be able to speak to is wellness. If you are a clinic that is all about physical therapy, then the topic that the people should be able to speak to is physical therapy. However, if I'm going to be very specific about what all staff should know, here's what I think you should do. You should start out with, here are the specific things that I want, for example, client service representatives to talk about, and give them scripts so that they can learn how to talk about those things. They don't have to talk about them specifically, but they have to get every piece of information. When clients are being educated, they need three things. They need to know the value. In other words, what's in it for me? Why is this a good reason? Why is this a good expenditure of my dollar? They need to know the efficacy. How well does this work, and how does this work in my pet and or for me? And they need to know the benefit. What is the benefit of this product or service to my pet or to my family? Those three questions have to be answered in any client education piece. Finally, you have to get everybody used to the idea that you are in sales, whether you like it or not. Sales simply means I present something to you to sell. And so we are selling medicine to people, and people don't generally get educated about medicine. So it is your job to educate people about medicine, and the result of that will be that you sell. But I think you have to focus on the education, not on the sell. Our job is to tell clients, here's what's available to you, and let the client decide. And in that way, you're not a pushy salesman or a pushy saleswoman. You literally are just letting the client decide. So get educated about the things that appeal to your mission and to your specified clientele, and then come up with scripts for all practice participants to be familiar with and engaged in before you ask them to sell.